I cannot find my keys anywhere. I cannot find my keys anywhere. Oh no! Where are my glasses? Oh no! Where are my glasses? I think I left the gas on. Oh my! Ah! The milk is boiling over. There is a spider on the wall. There is a spider on the wall. Oh, I burned my finger. I burned my finger on the pan. The water pipe is leaking badly. The phone is ringing so loudly. There is a cat on my roof. A dog is barking outside my door. A dog is barking outside my door. Oh no! I dropped all my groceries. There is smoke coming from the kitchen. I put salt instead of sugar in my tea. A bird flew into my window. My chair wobbled and I almost fell. The wind blew all my papers away. The television stopped working suddenly. The television stopped working suddenly. Through the window. I forgot to turn off the iron. I burned the food while cooking. I burned the My plant pot fell off the window. My plant pot fell off the window. My shopping bag tore at the market. My shopping bag tore. The ice cream fell off my cone. My cone. The door got locked from inside. The door got locked from inside. Ah! A frog jumped near my feet. I put my shoes on the wrong feet. The elevator door closed on me. The elevator door closed on me. My umbrella turned inside out. The cake fell out of the oven. I forgot today was my birthday.
Oh no! It is getting very dark outside. There is a strange sound in the forest. The storm is getting stronger! Every minute! I am completely lost in this forest. Something is moving. Behind those trees. Oh no! My torch battery just died. The rain is falling so heavily right now. The rain is falling so heavily right now.